In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 6. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we will solve this assignment. Okay. So our instruction file is just getting opening. Click on enable editing. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss Exp19 Word chapter 6 cap IT professionals. We just increase the size. Here is project description. We have to increase the size and change its color. Okay. So in today's video we will discuss Exp19 Word chapter 6 cap IT professionals. But before going to solve this assignment, we are just moving toward the whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignment. So in today assignment we have just 12 questions. Last one is not graded one, but we have 12 questions in graded part. So let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. In today's video, we will discuss Exp19 Word Chapter 6 Cap IT Professionals. We will start from project description. So you have recently been elected Secretary of a local professional chapter of Information Technology Professional ITPS. You download a meeting agenda template, personalize it with organization information, then email it to President and Vice President. After they have given their inputs, you combine the two versions of agendas into one document. Assemble the month minutes and then format the agenda and minutes into professional looking documents. So that was just simply project description. After reading description, we get idea what we have in today's assignment. Let me start the graded part. Steps to perform instructions. So start a Word and then download and open the Word file. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Grader has automatically added our last name in the beginning of the file name. So we have to open a solution file. Once it open, then we will start working. Okay, this one. So first part is done, and now we are moving toward a next part. Replace the word a company department name in first paragraph with information technologies professional. So we have to copy that word, this one, and copy this one and replace that with company name and department. Here we have to select this one, then paste the name there. Okay, and then in next part, to the left of this text, insert a graphic, a logo, PNG. We have to insert in the left, mean here we have to in a logo. So insert a picture of logo. The name of picture is graphic logo.png. Okay, so we just move there. There, graphic page logo. Yeah, this one. Insert. Done. Now what we have to do next? Position the image so that it's aligned with upper left corner of the document and change the wrapping to right. Aligned upper left corner, then position right, So here's tight. Then change. Okay, now we have to resize the logo so that its height of 1 inches. Now we have to resize the height to 1 inches. Select this one. Then picture format, and here we have to delete one. Then insert a word chapter in front of the words meeting agenda. We have to insert a word chapter in front of the words meeting agenda. Here we have to in that word. Done. Then yeah. So question number 2 is done. We have earned 15 marks from there. So in question number 2, it's quite big one. You may see we have solved each and every part of question number 2, and we have earned 15 marks from there. So in question number 2, so in question number 2, in first part we have to replace company slash department name in first paragraph with information technologies professionals. To the left of this text, we have to insert a graphic logo.png, then position the image so that it is aligned with upper left corner of the document, then change the wrapping to white, then resize the logo so that the height is 1 inches. Insert a word chapter in front of the words meeting agenda in a second paragraph. We have earned 15 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3. Replace the following text in the document. Replace this text with this text. Okay. Now we have to replace a date with every first Tuesday of a month. We have to copy this one. Then here's date. This one is date. We have to select this one and paste that word. Then press enter. Then we have to replace a time. We have to replace a time with a 7 p.m. We have to select this one. And then we have to select the time, and here we have to paste that one. Okay. So we have to delete that one. Control V. Okay. And done. Then in next part we have to replace invites with a location. So we have to copy location from here, and where is invites? We have to find invites. Invites is here. So we have to delete that one and paste the location from there. Then in question number in next part we have to replace names of invites with student union building a room 111. We just copy this one. Then name of invites. Where is name of invite? Here is name of invite. We have to delete that one and paste this one there. Then in next word we have to replace description of open issue 1 with membership update. So we just copy this one from here, and we have to find a description issue of 1. Yes, this one. So we have to delete that one and paste this one there. Then in next word we have to we have to find description of open issue 2, and we have to replace that with community sales. Copy this one Then I will replace with this one. Okay. Then we have to find description. We have to find description of open issue 3, and we have to replace that with fund or raising projects. We have to delete that and paste that one. Okay. Then in last part we have to find description of open issue 1, and we have to replace that with upcoming social events. This one we have to paste that one. So question number 3 is done, and we have earned 10 marks from there. Question number 3 is quite big one. Okay. So in question number 3, we have to replace the following text in the document. We have replaced each and everything step by step according to given condition, and we got 10 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 4 after solving question number 3. So after solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 3. Now we are moving toward question number 4. We have to create a building blocks consisting of logo. Then the first two paragraph meeting a date and time. Name it a meeting info and save it as auto text and input in building blocks a template. Then remove the bullets to unuse a description of open issue 2 and 3 placeholder under new business, then save the document. Okay. Even though it's not a graded one, so we are just not going to solve that one. And there is some note about a Mac user. Mac user select the logo, then a first two paragraph a meeting date and time, then insert a menu, click auto text, then click a new. That is just a note for Mac user. So we have to create a building block consisting of logo, the first two paragraph, meeting date and time. Meeting on date and time, first two paragraph. There we have to insert blocks, building blocks. Okay. And then and a time, then name it meeting info. We have to name that meeting info, edit properties, name that meeting info. Okay. And then what we have to do, we have to save it auto text, then put it building blocks template, then remove bullet and to unused description. Close. Then we have to remove the bullet and remove not. We have to remove unused description of open issue 2 and 3 placeholder. Okay. So that question is not a graded one, but we have to solve that one. Okay. After solving question number 4, and now we are moving toward question number 5. So we are just moving toward question number 5. Use a combine feature to view align agenda docs as original document, and this one is as a revised document. Then save combine file document name this one. Okay. Then select the logo, first two paragraph, then meeting date, time, reject changes. So we have to use combine feature. So come on here in the where is combine feature, layout, references, mailing, yeah, compare, and there is combine issue. And in original we have to in alien agenda, we have to in their alien agenda, so we have to find that one from there. Yeah, this one, it's our original file. Then in a revised document we have to in our file, this one, we have to in a revised file we have to in xp word join agenda, this one, done. Then select the logo. Then we have to save the combined file as a word student name. Okay, so now we have to simply press OK. Then save that file, save as, just like my name is Imran. And then what is the next name? Then Exp19 word chapter 6, Exp19 word chapter 6. Okay, then simply press save. So you will put your name there, okay, no problem. Then now we have to move forward. Then select the logo, the first two paragraph, meeting date and time, and reject the changes. Select the logo, then first two paragraph, then do not change there. Then in next word we have to reject the following deletion. We have to delete all, we have to reject all following deletion step by step, okay, and accept following addition, and we have to accept these all following, and we will earn 20 marks from there. There is a note for a Mac user. Mac user ignore the deletion. Okay, if you are a Mac user, then you simply ignore all deletion. So question number 5 is done. Now moving toward question number 6. In question number 6, what we have to do? We have to insert a blank page after agenda and remove a number list format. Then use create file object feature to add a minute of meeting sorted in minutes docs file to the end of agenda. Types session would as a note. Then first Wednesday of September minutes. Then scroll end of the minute page and insert a blank page paragraph and insert a meeting info billing blogs. And he is also note for a Mac user. For a Mac user, select a logo, first two paragraph, then meeting date and time. Then from the insert menu, click auto text, then click auto text, insert a meeting info, auto text entry. Then select and cut auto text in text box, then paste the text box on a last line of the minute page, and we will earn 15 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts. So you may see we have just 12 questions in graded report, and we have done first 6 questions, mean almost 50% or 55% assignment is done from my side in today's video. So in today's video we have discussed Exp19 Word Chapter 6 Cap IT Professional. In a start we just discussed project description. After that then we move to a graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2. In question number 2 we have to replace the word company department with the name information technologies professional, and we have earned 15 marks from there. Then in question number 3 we have to replace many words with many other words, and we earn 10 marks from there. Then we solve question number 4, even though it's not a graded one, but we have to solve that one. Then we have solved question number 5, that has 20 marks graded. Then we have solved question number 6, that is 15 marks graded. So almost 50 to 55% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. Remember that price will be reasonable, result will be 100%, and marks just like price file will be ready in next 30 minutes. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I'm also expert of other courses. Just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, a midterm exam, final exam, and there are project of Power BI, Tableau project, Sage 50 project. So whatever you need to have regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, you may simply text me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in the next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. In today's video, we have discussed Exp19 Word Chapter 6 Cap IT Professionals. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.